Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be another live day trading video. I'm just going to do a quick little summary in the beginning now. So today was not a good day. I'll say that right off the bat. This stock, very irritating today. Took 4 trades on it. First trade, I was being greedy. And the last 3 were fake outs. And you can see they faked out again. I mean, you could have made money here, but instant rip back down. You know, you'll see my strategy and my plans and everything in the video. So I'm not gonna talk too much. So with that, enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm just watching a stock. Just started to gap up, like really good. It's going crazy right now. Um, Waiting for my trade opportunity. My setup is kind of like this. I wait for it to start the downtrend and I kind of buy when it makes a new high. So like over this candle, broke it. That would be my breakout. Well, not my breakout, but my trade idea right there. That's kind of my setup. So I wanted to come back down, kind of a little consolidate, and then I'll buy the high when it breaks. So just wait for that to happen. You can see this is the only stock in my scanner today, which is a little unusual. Normally there's a couple. I got a couple of lines in here because they were trading in between here, but now they're just rocketing up. I'm just gonna put this line up there. Zoom in here. Use this. So I'm just gonna wait for this pullback. Hopefully there is a pullback. Oops, wrong sec. I was just checking on my scanners. That was something in a different scanner. So it's still only this one stock. It's up 170%. Okay, so now for my setup, I want this bar, if not to drop some more, but then I want the next bar to kind of do nothing. And then I want the next bar after that to just break over it, and that's when I get in. I need to go in with 5 shares here. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm not going to play this bar. It still has the support down here. Still got a lot of time. I got 20 more seconds in this bar. I would kind of like it if it was red. I don't like how much tail candlestick there is. I don't like how much tails there are. I don't like this. I don't like this trade. There's too much candle wick. You know, there's too much range there. It might work out, but I don't know. When it does this, it's normally going to fake out because it's moving too much. Just like that, exactly what I was saying. Exactly. It's going to flush down now. That was a good call out. I did not like that. I want it to be tiny, just like this candle body. Not I. If it has all this wick, that's never good. So now I'm gonna wait for it to do the same thing again. Have a little candle down here. Hopefully, tiny wick. Um, See if my setup happens. The spreads are decent on the stock, so I'm not going to use join the ask and join the bid. This is really only for pre-market because when I do trade pre-market, I cannot buy market and then I cannot use active trader. Even though it's a limit, it still will not let me. The only way it would let me trade pre-market is join the ask, join the bid, or buy the ask and sell the bid. So that's why this stuff is here. I didn't take any trades pre-market. Okay. I want this candle to be tiny. It's still coming down. Maybe if it comes down to a support, might be a good opportunity to get in. I got my hand on the buy button on my hotkey, which is Shift to Z. That's buy. If it breaks over this candle, I will buy this. Waiting. I will buy if it breaks over this candle. Looks like it did not. Looks like it has a resistance level up here. Oh. If I do get in, my stop's going to be below this candle. Okay, I got filled. Now we just wait and see what happens here. I expect the next candle to have some continuation here. Come back up. So I'm going to hold it for another minute, maybe. I guess I kind of got filled a little high. Oh, no, I didn't get filled that high. My stop is going to be down here. Could stop me out. But I do wait for that confirmation. So it is making new highs. Let's see what happens. I guess it might have been better to put a limit order in on the active trader. I could have got in with like 3 more cents. I mean, that's not really a big deal, but maybe my phone orders are coming through a couple minutes late. Notifications. This thing is not. It's got increasing volume. You can see it's not getting pumped. I don't like this. Hopefully this is a support. I got this line from pre-market. Most of these lines from pre-market. It did act as support. Let's see if we get a push. Looking for big bids on level 2. I don't know. Kind of a slow. Okay, we got a big bid or bigger bids than right there. All right, there we go. There we go. That's what you want to see here. Now it's probably going to pop up. Look at the bids. Much bigger. People are willing to buy up here. There it is. We want to see some more big bids. At least of 20 at the minimum. You see that, you really know it's a good support up here. Very choppy. Hopefully 9 EMA is a support. That would be nice. I'm going to zoom in here a little more. Okay, why does it do that? Just make it a little easier for you to see. And it's below the 9 EMA now. Okay. See if I have to stop out here. What is happening again? Alright, well, it's not working. Hotkey did not work. Came up with a window. Why did it come up with a window? That is my question. That just cost me a lot of money. Not filling me when I want. That just cost me what, 20 cents, 30 cents there? Okay, I'm not freaking using hotkeys on this piece of crap. Cannot wait to get off TD Ameritrade. They suck so much. They really suck. You can't customize shit. Well, guess it would have been better to put my order in Active Trader. I'm not even going to use hotkeys anymore. Again, I'm going to wait. There's still nothing else in my scanner, which is annoying me. I don't know why this is the only stock. It's got a lot of volume. It's got 71 million already. Again, if this has a tiny little candle, I will wait for the next candle to break it, and I'll get in again. I was up, what, $1? And I guess it was a good trade. Where did I get in? I got 790 or 691. I was up 40 cents. I guess I should have taken my profit. 40 cents a share. That's pretty good. I might just take P&L off because I was looking at my P&L and that's why I didn't sell. I'm taking it off. I don't even want to see it. How do I take it off? It's not there. It's right here. Customize. Take that off. I don't know if I can. I cannot take this out. P&L day. Let me see. Well, it's not in there, so maybe it's up here. Yes, it is. Removing it. Now I don't got to see it. I do look at my P&L a lot, and that is one of the reasons I don't sell. Because I want more. But I'm using tiny shares. I'm still getting really good trades. I was up 40 cents in that trade, and I didn't take my profit. That's just being ignorant and being greedy. That's what I was being. That's what I did. Okay, so if it breaks over this red candle, 635 I'll get in. I'm putting it in. So 636 I'll buy it. The weight 1 cent above. See how much money we got to use. 200. Oh wait, I gotta subtract. I gotta divide it in half. So if I had, how much did I have? 267. Let me divide that by 2 so I could trade every day. So I get to use 133. So when there's $133 left, I can't trade anymore. So I got $70-ish left. I just had to hit my hotkey button 4 times on the cancel for that order to go away. That's how crappy it is. So this looks like a bottom. I'm gonna buy over this candle. So I'll buy at 25. Oh, I just broke it. I didn't get in. Crap. Cancel. I'm in. My stop is gonna be 206. So I'm gonna put that in. Just in case they rip down. Low of this candle is 207, yeah. I do 1 cent below. Damn. How much am I down that day already? $3? That's not good. That was quick. That was a fake out again. Consolidation. Fake out. Okay. So they're still cranking down here. Oh, I got another stock in the scanner. Let's check them out. No. That's a piece of crap. I do feel like these guys have opportunity because they are crouching down so much. Show you my other monitor. You can see on that 5 minute. Alright, just crashing. Here's the scanner. I got those two things in. P&L. Alright. So let's see here. I guess I'm just gonna pause it until my setup happens, so you guys don't have to stay here for so long. Alright, so I'll be right back. Okay, this is actually about to do my setup, so I just turned it back on. For brakes over here, I'm buying. Oh, I actually want to see it break that level right there. What's that level? I'm gonna be quick here. 207. I'm getting in at 207. Okay. Hopefully it's not another fake out. I'm getting in at 585. I'm gonna wait a second to put my stop in. The volume is really gone. I mean, how much volume is it right now? Okay, it's not bad volume. Okay, break this, man. Like, come on. Where's the push? People are waiting to get in the stock. It's just so bearish right now. Once they see it's actually starting to come back up, I believe it's just gonna shoot up. It needs to just break this high. The high of this candle that I'm on is 608, so it broke it, just went up. Tells me a P&L open. I'm not gonna look at that. I'm just gonna go by how much cents I'm up. So I'm up. I got in at 607. Looking for like 20 cents here, if not more. Let's see. They got tons of support if you look at the level 2. Tons of support. Even though it's coming down. That's a little weird. Why is it coming down when there was all that support? I don't like this. It keeps faking me out here. 85. Put my stop in. What do you mean cancel? I didn't even have an order in. What is going on? Why did it just say canceled? I cannot wait to get off this brokerage. I cannot wait. Why did it say canceled? I had no orders out there. No orders. Why would it cancel me? I'm down $4.50 now. Definitely annoying. I don't know what's up with TD Ameritrade, man. I'm gonna pause it again until my setup happens. Okay, I'm turning it back on again. I'm gonna buy the break over this eye. That's really gonna show it's uptrending. That's what I'm looking for here. 619, I'll get in. I was thinking about getting it down here, but I didn't. This candle's too rippy. I normally like to wait for a candle or two after to get in. It's just really faking out. So I'm going to put my order in at 618 quickly. Much more selling. Make sure I have the money for that. Oops. Yep. It's probably going to be my last trade for the day, so rejected. I'll take that out for a minute. So it just rejected 1 cent lower than the high. It came right back down. This stock does not want to be bullish. It's faked out probably like 5 times already, and it's not making higher highs yet. Like, look at that. Look at the ask size. That was just 120. And now the bid's 100. Why is it going up so much when there's like no bid? Must be the big pool where you can't see the people buying it. The dark pools. I'm just gonna put my order in. Hopefully it doesn't go like up real quick and it come back down. I'm still aggravated on why something said canceled stop. Because I didn't have my stop in. I don't think I had a stop in. I didn't see any stops on my screen. Is this gonna push up? Yes. There we go. There we go. I'm in at 18. Looking for at least 30-ish in the 35s. It's finally breaking the highs here, so we might have some momentum coming up. Maybe. It's another fake out. Seriously. Look at this. Another fake out. I'm getting out. Another fake out. Holy crap, guys. And that's all the trades I could take today. Every single one's a loser. Fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out. But let me have my P&L back up here. Man, I am annoyed. Jesus. I am so about to punch this computer. I know it's not the computer's fault, but Jesus, man. Broke highs. Instant rejection. Crash. Almost one of the biggest red bars. And this is still the only stock that is in my scanner. What is TD Ameritrade doing to me? I swear they're effing me over. There's always a couple. 2, 4 at the least. I'm gonna go to my scanner. Let me up this to 75 million. Let's just see what happens. Still getting that crap stock. There really is nothing today. And then the only stock, let me click it, and then all it does is fake out. I'm down a good chunk of it today. Every single time. I mean, my first trade was a good trade. I just didn't take the profit. That was me being greedy, looking for something bigger, which that's a mistake. That's stupid. I was up 40 cents. I should have just got out. Especially when I see it pull back like that. I should have got out. I should not have waited for this to happen. And now it's still just doing nothing. But I guess I'll show trades on and do some recap because that's all the trades I could do for today. Hopefully Ameritrade will put them on. There we go. Yeah. Every single trade's a loser. I took 4 trades. All losers. All fake outs except for this first one. So I got in here at 691, which is right where my cursor is, right here. I was up 40 cents. Should have sold. Did not. And then sold them at 647. How did I sell them at 47? How did I sell them down here? When I hit the button here. That's 20 more cents. 25 more cents of profit I could have had. Instead, they just took it from me. So that's an annoying trade. I got in here at 624 in this candle. Oh yeah, it was the break over this. Because it opened here, it was going up, it broke this candle, I got in basically at the high. Went zoop, nope. And then sold at 605. And then I bought this one. 607, which is right. How did I buy this one at 60? Okay, never mind. So right there, basically at the high. And then what? What did I manage to get? 10 cents out of it, and it dropped. Sold it all the way down for 20 cents of loss. And then the last trade bought at 618 because it broke this high and it broke this high. So it should be bullish. And then went up, I don't know, 10 cents again, and then flushed down immediately. And I got to sell it at 91. So very aggravating today. Nothing worked out. Every single trade was a fake out. I guess that's what's been happening lately, though, with all those stocks, all the day trading stocks. Everybody's been saying this for like a couple days now. So I guess that's just what the market conditions are in. I might have to change my style. I'm also really confused why there's literally just only the stock in here. I'm not even going to count this one because it literally has no volume. Like, if I show you, it's pretty dumb. Like, nobody's going to trade this. But, yeah, so SYPR kicked my butt. Fake out every single trade, except for that first one. That was just me being greedy. I should have taken that profit. 40 cents a profit or share. Like, what can you ask? What can you ask more than that? You know? So, but yeah, that's my trades today. So, if you learned anything, hopefully you learned to take your profits if you're up a decent amount. Hopefully you learned that if a stock fakes out once, twice, don't go in for a third time because there's really no point. That's a new strategy, I guess. Anyway, hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I have tons of videos. I have like 8 educational videos in a series. If you want to go watch that, all about cash accounts, margin accounts, PDT rule, tons of stuff. Couple more videos on other topics in there. So if you want to go learn about that stuff, go to my channel. It's right in there. With that, make sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Now it goes, huh? As soon as I stop looking at this stock and it breaks these highs, which I traded before, then it goes. That makes sense, huh? Didn't want to do it 3 times before, but now it does. Okay, I get it.